Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. And today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to change your username on Wattpad. That is your username on your Wattpad account. So the first thing to do is open your Wattpad app. Once you open it, you click on the profile icon that's at the top right corner of your screen. Then you click on the settings icon also at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you would select profile and account settings, which is under application settings. Click on it. Once you do that, on this page you will see username. Yes, username. Click on it. Now mine is currently cherryboy221, okay, and I want to change it, so I could just change it to cherrygirl 1234. Yes, and then your password. This is the password that you use to open your Wattpad account. All right, so you enter the password. Okay, and then click on change. All right, changing. Yeah, it has changed. And if you wish to save the password to Google so you won't forget, you could just click on save, and then you're done. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so thanks for watching.